Now we're not quite done with the ears yet. What we've got to do is we've got to come down here. You see these big sections that come off? Gives our cat like a wide head here. So what we're going to do is we're going to kind of lift these ears up a little bit and fold this piece under, like so, until it comes up to meet that point there. And then we can fold the ear back down over it, like that. So we'll do the same over here. We'll lift this up, fold this over, like so. Bring the ear back down on top of it. We're going to take our chopstick and crease it really well. There we go. Now what we're going to do is we're going to get ready to fold our model in half. But as we're folding it in half like this, we want to bring his neck up. So what we're going to do is come down here. We've already got a crease that you can see here. We're going to force this crease up. Well, it's not going to force too easy. There we go. We'll force it up a little bit. Then we're going to have to work on it a little bit to get it just at the right angle that we want it at.